Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn next chapter of defense study, disaster management. Okay. See now what is there means what is the means how this disaster management is related to internal security that we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, now see, internal security also include aspects like natural and man-made uh, disaster. It brings together the police, parliamentary and armed forces along with the immigration and custom, firefighters and the civil society on a single platform to tackle this disaster. Means internal security that also include the aspect like natural and man-made disaster. And it brings together means that internal security is related how that brings together means there is means internal security include police, parliamentary means related to government and armed forces means three armed forces along with the immigration and customs, firefighters also and the civil society. Means all these factors they come together on a single platform to tackle this disaster. Tackle means to attempt and control this disaster. This chapter focuses on various hazards and disaster. Okay, that we happening around us. Means there are this chapter focuses on various hazards and disaster. Now see what is hazards and disaster. First, hazards. A hazard is a phenomenon that has the potential to cause threats to life. Potential to cause threat to life, property, environment, and normal processes. Means what is hazard? It is a phenomenon. Phenomenon means it is a occurrence or it is an event. Okay, that has the potential to cause threat to life. Potential means currently unrealized ability means it is currently unrealized ability and that cause to threats to life. Okay, means these unrealized ability cause to threats to life, properties, environment and normal processes. Okay, means property damage to property, environment and normal life of human being or any other natural things. Hazards are natural and human induced. Means that hazards are natural and human. Human means to cause or to lead by human. Okay, hazards are natural also and some hazards are lead by the human also. Induce means lead or to cause. Earthquakes, floods, tsunami, landslides and droughts are some of the natural hazards. Means earthquake, flood, tsunami, landslide and drought. These are the natural hazards. And industrial accident, road accident and most of the fires are typical example of human induced hazard. Means these lead by the human. Industrial accident, road accident and most of the fires. Okay. Means these are the typical example of human. These lead by the human. Okay. Natural hazards exist in some specific geographical areas. Natural area means it related to some specific geographical area. While human indices hazards are due to human errors or failure of some process and could happen everywhere. Means that human okay means human hazard, human indices hazard that it is the means because it happened because of the human's error or failure of some process. Okay, and that could happen everywhere. Means natural hazard it includes the specific geographical area and human hazard that means happen everywhere. Hazards may become active suddenly or build up slowly. Means hazards sometimes may become active suddenly and sometimes it take the time. Okay, now disaster. See, what is disaster? Disasters are the occurrence caused due to some hazards that become active and go out of control. Means disaster that are means hazards. Sometimes that hazard control fastly, but sometimes these hazards not control fastly. That time this means this that time it is go out of control. That time we are saying that hazard is a disaster. Okay. Thus, they are events that cause substantial damage to property and environment and loss or injury to life. Means these, when it become that hazard become the disaster, that time that event cause that unrealized ability cause to substantial damage. Means many substance damages, property damage, environment damage and loss or injury to life. Sometimes death also occur or loss of life means injury to life, creating imbalance in society. It create the imbalance in society also means life be total life of human being it's disturbed, also environment also disturbed. Means it disturb the normal means normal life of all the natural thing. It takes tremendous efforts by the entire nation state and the populace to restore normalcy. And it takes means for that there need to be a tremendous effort to take the whole nation means to become again to common means populace means to common people of nation means it takes tremendous efforts to come again to that common nation come again to restore the normalcy. Okay, means to come again to normalcy it take the tremendous effort. Disasters could be sudden or slow in their build up and occurrence. Means disaster it become sudden or slow. Ill effects of disaster depend upon the intensity and speed of the occurrence hazard that cause disaster. It also depends upon the vulnerability of the population and infrastructure. Okay, means disaster could occur sudden or slow build up. And ill effect of disasters depend upon the intensity, means quality of strength, means quality of how that disaster is strong or it depend on that. Ill effect is depend on that quality of intensity. And that occurring hazard that causes disaster. It also depend upon the vulnerability. Vulnerability is specific weakness, okay, of the population. Means how this population face on this disaster. Okay, means specific weakness of population and infrastructure. Means basic facilities functioning on society. How their basic facilities functioning on society. These are the factor. On that factor, these disasters is depend means how it come again to normal. It depend on the vulnerability of population and infrastructure. Okay, means specific weakness of society and basic facilities function on the society. Next, we will learn the next. Okay, thank you.